Tour-Anji Xinyue Furniture Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of electric lift chair, manual recliner sofa. We are located in Huzhou City, Zhejiang Province, with convenient transportation access. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the best products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE RoHS certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, British, Spain, Malaysia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.